Hi everyone, welcome to the Finisterre YouTube channel. Today we're going through our how-to guide to packing lightweight for summer. So a few essentials that I would take with me every single time are here, and actually all these products right now are in the Finisterre's current range. Number one for me is always outerwear. I always tend to go towards those products that are going to keep me dry, going to keep me warm. And first of all, it's our classic Nimbus. Here it is packed away into its own pocket. So a really great versatile piece that you can just stash away in your bag. This piece here is fully recycled. Sustainability goes without saying when it comes to Finisterre. Early mornings, late nights, you don't want to get cold. So yeah, a real key piece to have in your bag. And secondly, I think weatherproofing, a good waterproof jacket is essential. The Rainbird that we have here is actually our lightest weight product. So that is something that I can really break down into something very tiny and squish right down into the bottom corner of my bag. And I won't even really notice I've got it with me. But later on, if I don't have it, it's something I'm really gonna notice. So yeah, that is essential. Coastal adventures, I'm probably going to get in the water. Well, I hope so anyway. So I'm going to need my towel. And I always go to the Walker Short. This is a super versatile piece. It's actually great to wear on the land, in the water. It's quick drying. It's recycled nylon. Yeah, for me, that's essential. On top of that, a good base layer is really great to have. If you look at the Finisterre range, we've got the Marino, we've now got bamboo. This one here is bamboo. It's incredibly warm, it's super lightweight, it's moisture wicking, it's antibacterial. So yeah, great product to have. Again, something to keep me warm, a fleece piece. This one here is actually recycled wool. Really great piece in the range. But yeah, just something I can just pull out of the bag at any given moment and just whack on and keep warm. You don't need to take all of your footwear with you, obviously, but it's really good to take maybe the 2 pairs, and I think that's definitely the one that you've got with you, the one that you're wearing. I'm currently wearing our new Palladium boots, fully recycled, just dropped in the stores right now. But super cool for walking along the coast, over the rocks. You could even get down into the water with them because they are fully waterproof. But on top of that, I do like something really lightweight as well, possibly for back at the campsite. Something like a sandal, always useful to have, something that you can just kind of relax into as well on an evening. My choice right now is our new Malibu Collab sandals. Vibram, that's recycled Vibram soles, incredibly versatile, very easy to stash in your bag, strapped to the outside of your bag. You'll hardly notice they're there. So let's talk about packing cubes. I think for a few people out there, you might wonder what the hell I'm talking about, but this is something that you're going to really love. We currently sell a pack of 3 packing cubes. These ones here are our collaboration with the Natural History Museum. So they have this wonderful print. They come in 3 different sizes, but what is really great is the way that you can separate all the products within your bags. For example, you might have your snack bag, you might have your gadgets, you might have your toiletries, but then also you can keep the wet things away from the dry product. You can also keep your dirty laundry away from the clean laundry, which of course is going to save you time in the long run. Right now, I've got all my toiletries here, which we don't really need to go through. Mega essentials, I've got my underwear and I've got my socks. Right now, bamboo, really enjoying the new Finisterre bamboo range. Also antibacterial, antimicrobial, so they don't get too stinky, so that's definitely worth mentioning. And also socks, because Finisterre have the best socks in the world. Hopefully it's sunny where you are. You're going to need some sun protection, so make sure you definitely include that in your bag, but it's always nice to have some shelter, and I think having some good headwear is essential. So having a cap just to hand, even if you're going to get in the water, I think just kind of protecting your face is really good. So we've got a really great range of caps on offer right now. You can't forget to hydrate, right? So make sure you are taking lots and lots of fluids with you. Maybe take your cup, whether it's tea, whether it's coffee, you can take that into the store with you and get them to fill that. and that's just essential. You don't want to be leaving any waste, any plastic anywhere for other people to find. So if any of these products you're interested in, if you see down below in the description box, you'll have links to everything and you can go to the Finisterre website and read all about them. Also, if you do like what you see, please hit subscribe, and it'd be really great to get some comments, get some questions. If there's anything you want to see, if there's anything you need to know, please give us a shout and we'll get back to you. Thanks. Lightweight camping. No. I love that bit. We might have to do a few of these again.
You know you're going to say
and you're like,
yeah.
Should we do that again? Keep all your socks at hand. Where did that come from?
Love it.
So here's... Okay, do you do that again?